Hello everybody, today we will learn how to make our program for comparing two numbers. So first of all, here I need to start with R. So you pick out R first from the list, and I have picked it up, and now here I can start my program. So I'll start with my R program to compare two numbers. Very simple program, numbers. It should be a very simple program. So here you need to initialize two variables as normally we do in Python and Java as well, and here we are using a left operator for doing this. So I have taken variable A, then another variable I am taking B, and these two variables are being let us make it a little higher value, and then I will make it 200. And now if I want to compare them, I'll write if, then I am to compare A and B, so I'll write comparison operator, C A equal to B. If it is true, then it will be returning you that this is R equal. Here you can write cat, you can use cat function to display that variables, both variables are equal. Both variables are equal. Else you can put here cat is being used as a print command as we do in Python. Variables are not equal. Variables are not equal, and with this you can put here over. It's not necessary over, actually just for that you have completed this. So now after as you have done this, so you can run this program. Just click on this and you will be able to execute it. It has shown something unexpected error. Else, why else? Be better. This actually it will understand this now as a one block, otherwise it will have confusion on it. So now I'll run it again. So both variables are equal. One thing we have to keep in mind in R, that when you are running these programs, then you have to check out with the block, as in SQL developer as well, in SQL also. Normally when we make programs, we have to take care of blocks. If you are executing a particular line, select that one, and if it's not, then you can the whole will not be executed. So those things are to be kept in mind. Now in this one, it is giving variables are not equal. If I put here same values, then see what answer is going to come. So I will put here 200, and here I will make it as 200 again. So see what we are going to get. Again you need to execute this program. Variables are equal. So like this we can compare two variables. Now actually this is one program. Now let us suppose if I want to find out whether a given number or given number is even number or odd number. Another simple program. So I will start here my next program, my R program for checking whether a given number is even number. Given number is even number. So go ahead with the same, and here take two variables. Again take one variable, say I will take num, and num is to be checked out whether it's even number or odd number. I'll put some number to this. So I have given num, and now I want to check it out. So how do we check? We divide the number percent, and then we will be dividing that number by 2, and if its remainder is 0, this is being used as a modulus operator, please keep in mind. So if its remainder is 0, then we will say cat this is a even number, this is a even number, say this is an even number, and otherwise we will say this is an odd number, this is an even number, and this is an odd number. So that means if you are going to divide that number by 2, remainder should not come. If remainder is coming, then that number cannot be an even number. So you can execute this program and see what the output is. Again, else has, so the problem is with the block, you need to keep in mind. So when you have done this, and now execute this program, run it and see the output. This is an odd number. So even number, odd number is done. Now one more program we can make, and that program can be finding whether a given year is a leap year. So I will pick out again one variable here, and our program will be for checking whether a given year is a leap year. Given year is a leap year. So here let us take one variable, say m year. M year is being assigned some value, say 2027, or let's say take 2048, and check out whether this year is a leap year. So for checking out any year whether that is a leap year, if that year is divisible by 4, that means that is a leap year, that this is a leap year. Else if it's not, then you can say it's not a leap year. This is not a leap year. So here we have to check out the divisibility of that number by 4. Normally we can check it out by 400, by 100 as well. Sometime it, if any number is divisible by 4 as well as 100, that another way is also. But if any number is divisible by 4, that means it's going to be a leap year. So here I have written this, and now again I will execute this. So please try to understand, try to see variable, comparison, and your display message. That's all. And here when you are running, try to select that block. That's why see curly brackets here, curly bracket here. This block must be get executed with the as a whole. So here I'll run it and see what is there. Here this is a leap year. Now change this. Instead of this, I will make it 50. Let us make it 52. 2052. Whether this is a leap year, let us 3. That will be. This is a leap year. Now, if it is divisible by 4, it will be. Otherwise, it's not. So I'll run it again. See.